Hello everybody, welcome to OPPO A6 Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on the optimized charging on OPPO A6 Pro. So basically, if you want to optimize your charging, I'll show you how to do it. So first up, open up your settings and scroll down here to battery and battery health. And here you have smart charging to slow down battery aging. Your device learns from your charging habits and adjust charging patterns accordingly. When the battery level reaches 80%, it may automatically defer charging to 100% until shortly before you need to use it. So turn it on and go to charging settings. And here you can turn on the smart fast charging as well. Charge your device faster using a genuine power adapter and cable. The device may get warmer during charging. So basically that's a fast charging option. If you want to turn it on, you can. And basically that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.